and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Peace rally organized by HYC Ribhoi highlights border issues. Opposition mounts against government plan for trainways in Meghalaya. Allegations of broken promises surface in Meghalaya mining policy. And organic farming thrives in Ribhoi, Meghalaya. Minister highlights progress. And now the news in detail. The HRA Youth Council HYC Ribhoi orchestrated a peace rally on February 23rd, marching from Umlingkadat to Nongpo shopping complex to address border area challenges. Present were HYC Ribhoi President Hercule Suting, Education Secretary E. Sawian, Secretary Tony Shala, MPUF Ribhoi, President Jackson Soton, and HYC members. Amidst recent misconceptions of Assam police blaming locals for construction damage, HYC reiterated concerns over the Meghalaya-Assam border issue. Additionally, they emphasized rebuilding a school in Kle Umwang, previously destroyed by the Assam government, among other public grievances with Assam.
Samla, down, down. Vishwas Sharma, down, down. Vishwas Sharma, down, down. Vishwas Sharma, down, down. Vishwas Sharma, down, down. Assam government, down, down. Assam government, down, down. Assam government, NEHU government, NEHU government, NEHU.
Ang NEHU kaput kaba dan keleng sodong jong katem Ribhoi jengi. Bat kane karali kabang iyai mentakasi kadai si benta bangit penpau sya ka sarkar jela ba kum kaseng kabam song klikti nadu balaseng ya ka bat hadu kini si benta kanum song thai na benta banyo ya ka jingsuk na benta ki produk pernam jengi hapo perda ngipang ka mensim ngipang ka danut jengi habangi sngo ka jingut jonggi produk pernam jengi tikum mengalaong na kapor bangi kumikul samla ngimla ban syukabrip ya ki khamat ka bangi I bat ngimla baset kelut dia ki skor ki ba ngiyo sngo habang ayo ban putkol nagi pa paradok prasnam singi hapok berdar gumbos penpau dang kena singi kadan kajing kaba hadu pikim nang yethya kim nang dem syu halor kajing satwet na kita ki pulit Asam halor kane ngaso bat penrem ya ki pulit Asam bat kumjuru ya ka sarkar jela jengi gumbangi la sakhi kumbala pau hagi balat sa Khubor baladon kata kajing syapan pra jong tau mau nurim hante hapok jela talong kaba gila keno balak keno dak kita ki he jong ka Asam ba ki penpra yo tamonorem henry ngila da perkhat bat ya nujur bat ka jingle jong Asam ka jing penpra ka khampalat pot ka jing penpra jong Asam bat niya ka sarkar bat niya ka jing penpra na kalian jong peba jong bei ki jing ya hante po perda ki peba jing pikim pratang monorem kila ai da ka FAR ki bat kila ai ka waran arrest Henry, kumbing ila saki, kakli umang SSS school, kabalado arjar kat pra, ado kani klimat kabamenta, kasarkar Meghalaya ngimi bahkan ayah ka FAR persya, ya kasarkar Asam. Hoi, kumitri rong ba, olong ba, kasarkar Meghalaya kamdei kapajam. Henry kipai ba, kisaki ba, kasarkar Meghalaya kajam, hado kata-kata. Lada kamjam, balai kipai ba, kimat jenge nakapor hapok kapedar jengi. Balai kimla ban pasange ya gani gajing siapan perabat balai kimla syu ban cena ya gani ke school ka badan apa klim wang bat kemdai kita Henry kidon giwe kiba ki siapan pra apa ki bordar ki jongi ya ki development ki bala wanra nang baka sarkar jela te gani ka ba suksi bat ka ba sukya hadu kata bat ngaong nga kentu ya ka sarkar jela lagnung no kidai ban ya kren na wara mardor ya gani gajing jong ki peba apa bordar bagi day ban lakno ban pa withdraw no ya KVR kenang bagi ni produk persnam jengi kinyo sungsuk sunsan hante hapo kaput namar adu menta kibahing basem jengki.
In a press conference held at Shillong Press Club on February 23rd, the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee, comprising various prominent associations including Meghalaya Traders and Transporters, Giant Hills Truck Owners Association and All Giant Hills Cement Clinker Association vehemently opposed the state government's decision to introduce trainways in East Giant Hills. The committee warned of potential disruptions and vowed to seek support from allied organizations if their concerns are disregarded.
Set up kawai ke lentira hangte Giant Hill ke railway station dan ngiling seng ngilaya lum laya ba long meeting le Khuborjylla ban bisa jor gene ga lentira mar pele ba ngi persia gene ada subuh dewan lentira singi ste ngi gi bubu gali ngi ba kamai jakpo ba sahaya kesam dekam ban transportation yakit kaba kejing do nong ke bakrau nama lada cubu dewan degarel kerel ke kit bit degi hajar ton dan ngi gi pinjai dikali ngi kit haga tang diakan haga kapasiti jong kali ngi pinjai dikata tayar arboson ton dan lada cubu dewan degli rel kin kini mat badan singi sete kan kit mat sisen kit lalun tada kit dega kali jongi tingi dang yo kam nang yo kamai dikata gadau ngi persajor tersegawero ngi kumpulang ga state jongi ke berit tam na loga state ba donbosco India tu cubu dewan degli tira dore se dang wan gi dekha kena bar ki ba wan bhai snong sa ngi singi ste ta ki dang kita gadau ngi pediang rekum kita gi video ki ban mo ban kan mar ngi state kumpulang menta ngidang don state ke ba long ba tible kemudian su ki ba ki kini ki ba bhai chidong lagi we ki ceka ki ban wan chidong jongi kita gadau ngi kene ngi nei persajur ada korban ka tre jubor ngi liang ka sen ngi aila dengan jing persabet hadu ke banda mo hadu ke banda job wer lang bagi NGO lagi perlu ki baju itai lang lagi Khuborjylla tentang kisah halang mo ngin kut kecing kersan ban kersan lang bat ngi kum kene ki isu bagi korban gerang bot ban wanda singi sete.
On February 23, 2024, the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee continued discussions with the media, highlighting various demands from the state government. Currently, Balan Tubu, President of the All Giant Hills Cement Clinker Association, accused Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla of deceiving the public. Tubu alleged that Samla had failed to honor his 2023 pre-election promise to implement a new mining policy, which remains non-existent.
Pulai, kemudian ke lawan ke government, lawan Chief Minister, panle celebrate apa clear tangtai tentang mining policy. Gitu ipa hantai apa clear bayar ke mining policy lah ada black baru ada dong kelawan apa kestin lah ada polite person juga apa ada cara polite barang teh apa non style itu lah leh celebrate mereka belum bentar lah cisne bentar latam cisne bentar nyok sneu kata mining kata nai tentang aku mendong alam jang keseng ngasai keli lagi department of welfare kumbalong ta ka pau gini sini belada kadang pau ye keren po assembly bagi kata mining policy la jandem apa entah sistem gila pun pau cimista nei dang si asli mentang anak sudah peli lagi department lagi amar lagi di position kiong ye kata ka file patron saya semua padoi bawan po ke department begitu ngabut tang dikitin pun baik election tip agan ukur kom tang kepuar election kata mining policy kelak janda karena ingat kalian jangan ngasih kuat ban kentu ya government Chief Minister ya kali kalain ai udai bar buat banyak nanti ini kondo mai udai bar umlak balik kondo kamtam Shillong ke bacam quality lada uai du nut ban yai to berdik ke department gadon gawe situ yang kan sakut stans nem tang po Shillong ano po Shillong kan sakut kamla bandung cagita di department di badai bandung.
During a recent assembly session, Minister of Agriculture Dr. Ambreen Lyngdoh emphasized the growing momentum of organic farming in Meghalaya's Ribhoi region. Responding to inquiries from R.V. Lyngdoh and fellow MLAs, she pointed out the emergence of medication-free vegetable cultivation practices. This shift signifies a significant step towards sustainable agriculture in the state. Ribhoi, along with other areas, has embraced this approach, indicating a broader trend towards environmentally friendly farming methods. The minister's remarks underscore the state's commitment to promoting organic agriculture and ensuring a healthier and more resilient farming sector for the future.
From non-organic to organic practices, a small window was then decided as a policy by the Department of Agriculture. So the intention now is to ensure that we address this entire organic application in a phased manner. We have earmarked, or shall we say we have looked at the entire map of cultivable land, and we are now slowly increasing this and placing it under the map of organic farming. So this year, in the next 4 to 5 years, we expect to ensure that about 100 hectares of land will be cultivable under organic mission. Second question you asked, sir, can you repeat?
Outlets for these organically produced crops.
Beg your pardon, sir?
These outlets, markets to sell this, marketing of these organically produced crops, so that the customers will know where you can obtain those organically grown crops.
So, Honorable Speaker, sir, we are now proud as a state of Meghalaya to talk about success stories. So there are success stories in the Ribhoi areas. We have a particular company, farmers have agglomerated together. We have the Jirang Organic Agro farmers, producers. Let me tell you the kind of things that these groups are doing. And today, we have even provided for this group, because of its high demand on certain producers of this over and above spices, also fruits now. So we've also provided them with additional support of the waxing machine to increase the shelf life of their produce. They have a high turnover. I don't have the detail of that latest high turnover. These producers are now being marketed not just to Indian markets, but also looking at markets abroad. That is what the department is now engaging in its various schemes. Then we also have another group, the Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Groups. So here as well, through this Mission Organic Value Chain Development for the Northeastern Region program, they are also marketing ginger, turmeric, amongst some of the other producers. We also have lay-by markets, where through the intervention, personal interest of the Honorable Chief Minister and his office, we are now going to be showcasing, not just showcasing, encourage sales in various huts across the state. We also looking at exchange of these producers through border huts and other outlets. There's a big plan under this mission, sir, and I'm confident that we will reach somewhere.
Congress MLA Saleng A. Sangma raised concerns over the deteriorating conditions of police quarters in Garo Hills. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong assured repairs following notifications from SP or DGP. This response aims to tackle the issue of substandard living conditions for police personnel.
Yes, sir. B, sir, it is as per statement placed on the table of the House. C, sir, does not arise in view at A and B above.
Mr. Speaker,
Samla, your supplementary question.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Home Minister in charge, Police, who has already laid place answer on the House. But I still wanted to know whether the department has identified the bad conditions of those quarters and the barracks which is still not yet renovated. If there is, how many? Which is still not yet.
Yeah. Sir, I think, let me take a little more time to clarify on this issue, because the question was addressed to PWD building, not to home police exactly. So my reply here is, as far as PWD building is concerned, yes, repairing work is done, and this list has already placed on the table of the House according to the building register that we have. Then whatever small repairing takes place, requested by the concerned SP or by the concerned DGP, then PWD building does that. But when we talk about the totality of maybe new construction or complete renovation or improvement of the existing buildings, that is being taken care of by home police.
Why I'm asking this very question is this, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our police force on the ground, they've been working day and night, and then some of their quarters and the barracks are not in a situation where they can even stay with the family, even stay with the team also. That's why, if in the future, if those areas can be identified and then given good renovations, I think that would, I would like to suggest at least identify the areas where the, sometimes in such barracks, it's like a slum area. I have seen that one.
Srimati Santa Mary Shilla, MLA from Suttanga Saipung, voiced public dismay over the perceived decline in trust towards BSF's vigilance in guarding the land. Highlighting recent tragic incidents in Donbosco and Bakisara where lives were lost, she urged a government inquiry into BSF's alleged negligence. Deputy Chief Minister attributed the incidents to malfunctioning rifles, promoting BSF personnel to retreat. He assured ongoing investigations. Shilla's plea reflects growing apprehension within communities, emphasizing the need for restoring public faith in BSF's ability to maintain peace and harmony.
To the news item dated 6 January 2024, published in Salat online news portal under the caption, Suspected Bangladeshi Nationals Murdered Indian Man for Betel Nut. Samla.
Yes, you may proceed.
I am thankful to the Honourable Speaker for admitting this call attention motion and giving me a chance to highlight these issues of great concern which has shaken the peace and safety of the people living in the border areas of East Gentle Hills District and in and around Umkyang village. Sir, on the 6th of January 2024, around 15 to 16 Bangladeshi coming from Bangladesh site entered the border at Balasira, which is in India, Andalum Suski village, Umkyang, East Gentle Hills District, Meghalaya. They came with the motive to commit theft of betel nut inside the Indian territory. With this intruder met two Indian citizens, namely Sri Rahul Pottam and Sri Silvanas Dhar of Umkyang village, who were guarding their betel nut garden, the Bangladeshi attacked these two Indians with sharp and long knives. The two Indians did try to defend themselves, but they were overpowered by the Bangladeshi intruders who chased and attacked them fiercely. Sir, the two Indians tried to run and escape after seeing the Bangladeshi have charged towards them. However, one Indian, Sri Silvanus Dhar, also known as Chiang Dhar, was caught by the Bangladeshi, and they brutally attacked him with knife and killed him on the spot. The attack was so brutal that one of the wrists of Silvanus Dhar was cut off, and his body and head were full of major cuts. Sir, the incident had caused serious concern about the safety of our people along the border in and around Umkeng village and their produce. After the incident happened, sense of fear spread and prevailed amongst the people, especially those farmers who have betel nut garden along the Indo-Bangla border. People were scared even to go to the garden because of this incident. So I am told by my constituent that Bangladeshi people freely enter and exit Indian territory in and around Umkeng village and commit theft of betel nut from the garden of our people, causing great financial loss to our people. Sir, the easy entry and exit of such foreign nationals makes me wonder as to what the border security force are doing along the border. People have expressed concerns about the capability and negligence of the BSF to protect our...
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.